These latest concerns come at a time we're all beginning to feel liberated from this awful pandemic. You know, that while most adults all across the country and here in New York have already been vaccinated, some 2 million adults here in the city have not. And now with the Delta variant threatening a new wave of cases, Mayor de Blasio, he's taking some precautionary measures. Beginning next month, Mayor de Blasio will require all workers in the 11 city-run hospitals, as well as health clinics and nursing homes, to get vaccinated or get tested on a weekly basis. He's scheduled to announce the new policy tomorrow, as the latest numbers of COVID cases are showing a slight elevation.
Testing positive citywide for COVID-19. Today's report on a 7-day rolling average, 1.72%.
That number should be well below 1%. Most of the new cases are from the more contagious strain of the virus. And what is being seen in New York is also being reflected nationally, with a surge in new cases of the Delta variant.
The Delta variant now represents 83% of sequenced cases.
Many of the new cases are among people who have not been vaccinated, underscoring the urgency to get that shot in the arm.
The vaccine is the closest thing that we have to a knockout punch.
The best way to prevent the spread of COVID-19 variants is to prevent the spread of disease, and vaccination is the most powerful tool we have.
The pleas to get vaccinated are highlighted as the New York Times reports a new study indicating that the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is much less effective against the Delta and Lambda variants than against the original COVID-19 virus. While still inconclusive, the study suggests the 13 million people inoculated with the J&J vaccine may need to receive a second dose. The current spike in cases has prompted some to encourage mandating the wearing of masks indoors again. Mayor de Blasio disagrees.
We also are, all of us, united strongly in not wanting people to think, oh, I have a mask, so I don't need to be vaccinated.
Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell agrees what's needed now are shots, not masks.
These shots need to get in everybody's arm as rapidly as possible, or we're going to be back in a situation in the fall that we don't yearn for, that we went through last year.
Certainly not. Well, doctors do offer another reason to get a vaccination if you haven't been vaccinated already. They say the effects of the serious Delta strain are minimal if you've been vaccinated. Now, Mayor de Blasio's mandate to have all city employees at city hospitals vaccinated or checked every single week, that takes effect next week. Still not clear whether he'll expand that policy to all the city employees. We're live at Bellevue Hospital. Marvin Scott, Pix 11 News.